As the US delegation arrives in New Delhi to negotiate a bilateral trade deal, India is urging for the concessions Washington made to other nations to make the best out of the deal negotiations. Sumita, in fact, filed this report earlier. Let's listen in.
Right, a high-level trade delegation from the United States is set to visit India. It's visiting India today and tomorrow to advance discussions. So far as a bilateral trade deal between the United States and India is concerned, remember, both sides are looking at finalizing the first tranche of the bilateral trade agreement by the fall of this year. However, an interim trade deal is likely as well, given the fact that, the recent commentary that we have seen from Howard Lutnick, United States Commerce Secretary. He said that he's optimistic on a imminent Indo-US trade deal. He said, and I quote, "You should expect a deal between the United States and India in the not too distant future." Now, India is reportedly seeking exemptions from the 26% reciprocal tariffs before the deadline for the relief that was granted by the Donald Trump administration before that ends, which is essentially on July 8th. India is also going to be advancing those discussions that it's been having with the United States side. Remember, in May, there was a delegation that was led by Rajesh Agarwal, who's the chief negotiator in the US-India trade deal. He traveled with his team to the United States. Minister Piyush Goyal also traveled to the United States. He met with key negotiators. He met with trade officials, commerce officials as well on how to take these discussions forward. So you could expect discussions to happen around, of course, the recent imposition of steel and aluminum duties by the United States. You could also expect both sides to touch upon the issues at WTO as well, on WTO matters as well, and of course on auto components and auto tariffs. So all of these could be touched upon. What else could be touched upon? Well, access to each other's geographies, access to each other's markets, that could also be looked at. Because remember, Minister Piyush Goyal just a couple of days back stated, and I quote, "Both countries are looking at working together and desire to give preferential access to each other's businesses, and we are working towards the bilateral trade agreement." All in all, we've been given to understand that these trade talks are moving in a positive direction.